Hello student, today we are going to learn the first chapter of organic chemistry which is included in our syllabus. The name of this chapter is halogen derivatives. Then what is halogen derivatives? Halogen derivatives means these are compounds of hydrocarbons which are derived by halogen atoms. Compounds of hydrocarbon which are derived by halogen atoms are called as halogen derivatives. Then what are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons, that means these are of two types, that is aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. Then representation of aliphatic hydrocarbons, that means RH, and aromatic hydrocarbons ARH. If these aliphatic hydrocarbons is react with halogen, then one of these halogen replaced to this hydrogen and it forms alkyl halides. Then hydrogen atom of this aromatic hydrocarbons is replaced by one of these halogen atom of this halogen molecule, then it forms ARX, that means aromatic halogen derivative. These are also called as alkyl halides or haloalkanes. These are also called as aryl halides or haloaryls. In this way, it forms two type of compounds, that means two types of halogen derivatives from these hydrocarbons. Then classification of these halogen derivatives. First, that is, these are classified on the basis of number hydrocarbon skeleton. These are derived on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton. That means these are classified into 4 points. That is, first one haloalkanes, second one haloalkenes, third one haloalkynes, and fourth one haloaryls. That means in haloalkanes, suppose here alkane is CH3. One of these hydrogen atom in this compound replaced by halogen atom, hence it is called as haloalkanes. Then second one haloalkenes. In this parent alkene is CH2 double bond CH2. That means name of this alkene is ethene. Then again one of these hydrogen atom of this alkene replaced by halogen atom, hence it becomes haloalkenes. Then third one, that is haloalkynes. That means here parent alkyne is CH triple bond CH. Again here one of these hydrogen atom get replaced by halogen atom and it forms haloalkynes. And in fourth haloaryls, that means here one of these hydrogen atom of this benzene nucleus get replaced by halogen atom and it forms here haloaryls. In this way, these are classified on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton. Then all these are called as halogen derivative. Again see this example, CH4. Name of this compound is methane. If this methane is react with halogen atom, it gives CH3X. That means in this one of this hydrogen atom get replaced by halogen atom and it forms CH3Cl. Then again this CH3X is react with X2, another molecule of halogen atom. Then it again replace one of this hydrogen atom by this one of this halogen atom and it gives next product, that is CH2X2. Then third, again if this react with third molecule of halogen, then it forms again one hydrogen get replaced by one of this halogen atom and it forms CHX3. And at last, that means fourth molecule of this halogen, if this react with this molecule CHX3, this fourth hydrogen also replaced by one of these halogen atom and it gives CH4. Then all these are called as halogen derivatives. Then all these examples are of halogen derivatives. Then all these examples, that means we define the halogen derivative, that means compound one or more hydrogen atom of aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon if replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms are called as halogen derivatives. That means number of hydrogen atom of aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms are called as halogen derivatives. The next classification, that is on the basis of number of halogen atoms. On the basis of number of halogen atoms, these are classified as first one monohalogen derivative, second one dihalogen derivative, third one trihalogen derivative, and fourth one polyhydrogen derivatives. Then monohalogen derivative means compound containing only one halogen atom is called as monohalogen derivative. For example, suppose CH3Cl. In this compound, it contains only one halogen atom, hence it is called as monohalogen derivative. Then second, dihalogen derivative. Dihalogen derivative means suppose this compound CH2, here chlorine atom, here another chlorine atom. This compound contains two halogen atom, hence these are called as dihalogen derivative. Then third, trihalogen derivative. Trihalogen derivative means again if compound contains three halogen atom, suppose here CH2Cl, CHCl, here again CH3, CH2Cl. This compound contains three halogen atom, hence it is called as trihalogen derivative, etc. That means fourth one, that is polyhalogen derivative. Polyhalogen derivative means the compound containing more than three halogen atoms are called as polyhalogen derivatives. In this way, on the basis of number of halogen atom present, halogen derivatives are classified as monohalogen derivative, dihalogen derivative, trihalogen derivative, and polyhalogen derivative. Then next classification, that is classification of monohalogen derivative. Here classification only of monohalogen derivatives. Then these monohalogen derivatives are classified on the basis of hybridization and position of halogen atoms in this compound. These are mainly classified into three types. First one, halogen bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Halogen bonded to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. Then second one, halogen bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. And third one, halogen bonded to sp type of hybridized carbon atom. That means in this way these are classified on the basis of hybridization. First one, sp3 halogen bonded to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. Second one, halogen bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. And third one, that is halogen bonded to sp type of hybridized carbon atom. Then again this halogen bonded to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom, these are again classified into three types. First one, that means alkyl halides. Second one, allylic halides, and third one, benzylic halides. First one, alkyl halide, second, allylic halides, and third one, benzylic halides. Then these alkyl halides, these are mainly saturated compound. That means alkyl halides, first, for example, suppose CH3, CH2, CH2X. That means these are example of these alkyl halides. These are having carbon-carbon single bond. This halogen atom is attached to this carbon atom. This carbon atom is sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. That means halogen atom attached to which carbon atom? sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. Again, this sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom, that is alkyl halides, these are again classified as depending upon substitution state. Depending upon substitution state, these are again classified as primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, and third one, tertiary alkyl halides. Then primary alkyl halides means if halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom, it is called as primary alkyl halides. This carbon is primary carbon atom. Why this carbon is called as primary carbon atom? Because this halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom. Hence, this alkyl halide is called as primary alkyl halides. Then in second, that is secondary alkyl halides. In this compound, this halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom. This carbon atom is secondary carbon atom. Why this carbon atom is secondary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom again attached or bonded to another carbon atom. Here alkyl group, R means alkyl group, means this carbon atom is attached to another carbon atom. Hence, this carbon atom is called as secondary carbon atom, and these alkyl halides are called as secondary alkyl halides. Then third one, tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary alkyl halides means if halogen atom is bonded to tertiary carbon atom, this carbon atom is tertiary carbon atom. Again, why this carbon atom is called as tertiary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom is bonded to three another carbon atom. Again, there are on this carbon atom three alkyl groups are bonded. That means this carbon atom bonded to three another carbon atoms. Hence, this carbon atom is called as tertiary carbon atom, and this alkyl halides is called as tertiary alkyl halides. In this way, that means these alkyl halides are classified into main three class, that is first one primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and third one that is tertiary alkyl halides. Again, in sp3 hybridized carbon atom, these are second classified as that is allylic halides. Then what is meaning of these allylic halides? Allylic halides, these are mainly derivatives of unsaturated compound or derivatives of alkenes. In this compound, this halogen atom attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. Again, this carbon atom is again sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom, but next to carbon-carbon double bond. On this carbon atom, next carbon atom, there is carbon-carbon double bond. Such type of compound are called as allylic halides. Allylic halides means halogen atom is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom, but next to carbon-carbon double bond. Again, in this compound, that is cyclic compound, here also this halogen atom bonded to this carbon atom, again next to carbon-carbon double bond. This cyclic compound also here carbon-carbon double bond, and this type of hybridized carbon is also sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. These two examples of allylic halides. Then third one, that is benzylic halides. Benzylic halides, again this halogen atom is bonded to this carbon atom, that is this is also sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. But this carbon atom again attached to benzene nucleus or aromatic compound are called as benzylic halides. This halogen atom is attached to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom, and on this carbon atom benzylic group is benzene group is attached, or aromatic compounds is present here. Hence, such type of compound is called as benzylic halides. In this way, there is this second type, that is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then second, that is halogen bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. Halogen bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. Again, these are classified into two class. First one, vinyl halides, or it is also derivatives of haloalkenes. Vinyl halides or haloalkenes. In this compound, this halogen atom is bonded to this carbon atom, which is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Halogen atom is bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. Here halogen atom attached to that carbon atom, which again bonded to carbon-carbon double bond. Hence, it is mainly derivative of haloalkenes. This is derivative of haloalkenes or unsaturated compound. Then another example of this vinyl halides. Another example of this vinyl halides. Again here cyclic compound, and in this one carbon-carbon double bond, and halogen atom is attached directly to carbon atom which carrying carbon-carbon double bond. That means in this also, this carbon atom is also sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. Then in this second, that is aryl halides. Aryl halides means, that means in this compound, this halogen atom is directly bonded to aromatic compound. Halogen atom is directly bonded to aromatic compound or benzene nucleus. This is one of this example of this aryl halides. This is also example of aryl halides. In this example also, this halogen atom is bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. This carbon atom is sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. This carbon is also sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. Such type of compounds are called as aryl halides. And third one, that is halogen bonded to sp type of hybridized carbon atom. This is mainly derivative of haloalkynes. This is mainly derivative of haloalkynes. That means it contains carbon-carbon triple bond. That means carbon atom to which halogen atom is bonded, this carbon atom to which halogen atom is bonded, the type of this carbon atom is sp type of hybridized carbon atom. That means this bonded to carbon-carbon triple bond. In this way, there is classification of on the basis of hybridization and position of halogen atoms. First one, that is halogen bonded to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. Second one, halogen bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. And third one, halogen bonded to sp type of hybridized carbon atom. These are again classified as alkyl halides, allylic halides and benzylic halides. Alkyl halides means, that means it is a saturated compound, halogen bonded to sp3 type of hybridized carbon atom. Then these are again alkyl halides, again classified as primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide means if halogen atom is bonded to primary carbon atom, this is called as primary alkyl halide. If halogen atom is bonded to secondary carbon atom, it is called as secondary alkyl halide. If halogen atom is bonded to tertiary carbon atom, it is called as tertiary alkyl halide. Then second one, halogen bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom. These are again classified as vinyl halides and aryl halides. Vinyl halides means halogen bonded to sp2 type of hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. There are two examples, one is of aliphatic compound, one is of cyclic compound. Then second, alkyl halides, aryl halides. Aryl halides means halogen atom bonded directly to benzene nucleus or directly bonded to aromatic compounds are called as aryl halides. And third one, that is halogen bonded to sp type of hybridized carbon atom. That means halogen atom is bonded to carbon-carbon triple bond, carbon which attached to again another adjacent carbon atom by triple bond is called as halogen bonded to sp type of hybridized carbon atom. In this way, this introduction and this classification of these halogen derivatives. Here classification at first halogen derivatives, that means on the basis of hydrocarbons, there are 4 types of hydrocarbons, that means haloalkanes, alkenes and aromatic compound. On the basis of hydrocarbons, these are classified as haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes and haloarenes. In this, that means hydrogen of haloalkanes replaced by halogen atom. In haloalkenes, hydrogen of alkenes replaced by halogen atom. In this, hydrogen of alkynes replaced by halogen atom. And in haloarenes, that means hydrogen of benzene nucleus replaced by halogen atom. Then second, on the basis of number of halogen atom, monohalogen derivative, dihalogen derivative, trihalogen and polyhalogen derivatives. That means this monohalogen means compound containing only one halogen atom, dihalogen means compound contain these two halogen atom, and trihalogen means compound containing 3 halogen atoms. In this way, there is the end of this classification of halogen derivatives and monohalogen derivative. Now we can stop here. Thank you.